How to choose a loyal partner. Perhaps one of the most valuable assets you can have in a romantic relationship is loyalty. You may be struggling to find a partner who is loyal and reliable, especially when confronted with a difficult situation or a tricky relationship issue. Or you may already be with someone but are unsure if they are loyal and have what it takes to be your life partner. You can choose a partner who is loyal by looking at how they behave. You should also consider how you interact together as a couple and watch for any red flags that indicate the person is not as loyal as they could be. Observing the person's behaviors. Notice if the person is reliable and honest. You should consider the individual traits of your partner or a person who may be a partner to you in the future. One of the key traits you should look for is reliability and honesty. Ask yourself, does this person appear reliable and honest? And, how does this person demonstrate they are reliable and honest? Consider if the person is supportive of you. A loyal partner will honor your individual traits and skills. You should note if the person shows clear support for your interests and goals. Having a partner who is supportive also shows that they are interested in you as a person and care about your future. Determine if the person is emotionally mature. Emotional maturity is a key trait in a relationship, as it indicates that the person is comfortable in their own skin and willing to be there for you emotionally. Being emotionally mature is a good indicator of loyalty and a good sign that your relationship is healthy. Determine what loyalty means to you. Take some time to think about what loyalty looks like to you. Look at the obvious things as well as more subtle situations. Does loyalty mean not cheating, emotionally, physically, both? Not talking about private matters with others? Showing up to company events? Collaborating on financial decisions prior to purchases? Checking in before committing to plans? What exactly are you expecting from a partner when you use the term loyal? You need to have a clear idea of what these behaviors are in order to look for them in others and have a conversation about them. Examining how you interact together. Talk to your partner about what is important to you. Instead assuming your definition of loyalty matches your partner's, have a discussion about which behaviors indicate loyalty to you. For instance, your partner showing up to your soccer match may be a demonstration of loyalty in your eyes. But maybe your partner doesn't mind if you don't go to their events, so they don't realize how important it is to you that they go to your events. Take the time to express which behaviors are important and which meet your needs for a relationship, and allow your partner to do the same. Look at how you handle conflict. When trying to determine if you have chosen a loyal partner, you should consider how you handle conflict in your relationship. Are you both able to talk about any issues or problems you may be having? Can you speak openly about how you feel with your partner? Having good communication skills and listening skills are important aspects of a fulfilling, loyal relationship. Consider if you trust each other. You should also take a moment to consider if you can place your complete trust in that person and if they can do the same with you. Ask yourself, can I trust in this person completely? If the answer is no, or maybe, you should consider why you are hesitant to trust your partner. You may write down why you cannot answer yes to the question and consider if the reasons for no are not fixable or able to addressed with your partner. Think about how your relationship has progressed. You should also look at the big picture and consider your relationship as a whole. Think about where your relationship started and where it is at now. Does it feel like you and your partner have grown and matured together? Does your relationship feel stronger now than it did in the past? If your relationship is healthy, your sense of loyalty for your partner should expand over time and you should feel you can trust them after so much time together.